it's Ayla again, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami fox. So what you're going to do is you're going to take what you're going to need is a square piece of paper, tape, optional, markers are optional. I don't have them right now, but I'm going to get them in a minute, and you need some scissors. What you're going to do is you're going to take some paper and you're going to cut it into a square. Then you're going to fold the square diagonal. And then you're going to fold the tips that looks like this. And then you're going to fold the tips down like this. And then you're going to fold them up again so that they look like this. And then I'm going to tape the sides down. Sorry if I went a little too fast. I'm just like really annoyed with this right now. But I'm going to do tape like this, and then I'm just going to tape, oh geez, and tape it down just like that. Just gonna do it again on the other side. That's one ear done. I have to do the other one. I'm just gonna make this one a lot easier and just do this. That's bad. I'm sorry this is taking a little bit. I'm just like really upset right now. Because I did not get it right the first time I tried this video. Because I couldn't find the tape and it took like 5 minutes. So kind of frustrated. So let me just peel that tape up. Alright. So once you're done taping your fox or whatever animal you made, a dog or something like that, should look like this. Now if you want to, you can fold the tips up a bit like this to make a nose. That looks like that. Now I'm going to take a marker and I'm going to draw a little face on it. So 1 second, let me get a black marker. Okay. I'm going to draw a face on this guy. That's my fox. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure to like this video and put in the comments down below what should I make next for another video. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.